Arbaeen marks the 40th day after the martyrdom of Imam Hussain at the Battle of Karbala. It is a time of mourning and reflection. Pilgrims from around the globe make the journey to Karbala, walking from Najaf to honor Imam Hussein's sacrifice and to renew their commitment to the values he stood for. This guide provides information for those planning to make the journey from Najaf to Karbala for Arbaeen to ensure a meaningful and smooth experience. Purify your intention. Approach this ziyarah with sincerity, aiming to seek closeness to God and follow the path of Imam Hussain. The Ahlulbayt have emphasized the importance of visiting Imam Hussain, promising great rewards. Imam al-Sadiq reportedly said that on the Day of Judgment, everyone will wish they had visited Hussain because of the honor God grants his visitors. Imam Musa al-Kazim reportedly mentioned that God forgives all the past and future sins of those who visit Hussain and recognize his status. Imam al-Rida reportedly noted that fulfilling the covenant with the Imams includes eagerly visiting their shrines. On the Day of Judgment, the Imams will intercede for those who do so. Seek to align your intention with Imam Hussein's principles of resilience, dignity, and sacrifice in reviving the values of humanity and Islam. Key facts about the Arbaeen walk. Distance. Najaf to Karbala is about 50 miles, 80 kilometers. Duration. It typically takes 2 to 3 days to walk this distance. Guidance. 1,452 numbered poles line the route, spaced 50 meters apart to help guide you. Timing. Start walking on the 16th or 17th of Safar. Aim to arrive on the 18th. Inclusivity. The walk is open to everyone, regardless of background, religion, or age. Imam Hussein's legacy unites all. Crowds. The number of visitors varies each year, ranging from a few million to over 20 million. Despite the massive crowds, most visitors return safely, spiritually refreshed and physically tired. Security and services. Authorities work hard to provide security and services, though they may not always meet the needs of the massive crowds. Yet the dedication of thousands of volunteers, driven by deep faith, ensures visitors are well cared for. Packing checklist for the journey: a backpack, preferable over a suitcase, small refillable water bottle, medicine supply for colds, flu, allergies, asthma, headaches, enough for 3 to 4 days, mobile phone with religious audio files downloaded, headphones, light jacket or fleece, extra socks, gloves, scarf kafiyah, toothbrush and toothpaste, needle and thread, ointments, Dux lotions for rashes, muscle pain, burns, 2 phone chargers, umbrella for rain or sun protection, comfortable walking shoes, avoid new leather, consider a size or 2 larger, official identification documents, passport, etc. Residence information in Karbala, name and address written on a piece of paper. Communication tips: download messaging apps. Ensure you have messaging apps like WhatsApp or Telegram installed, as they often work more reliably than regular calls in areas with limited network coverage. Communication. Use SMS for communication if networks are overloaded. Pre-arrival. Contact your place of residence in Karbala to confirm your arrival time. Setting out for Karbala. Travel. Book your journey through Najaf Airport. Begin walking from Imam Ali's shrine after Fajr prayer. Exit from the Al-Sa'a gate and head towards Imam Zain al-Abidin or Imam al-Sadiq Street until you reach the Karbala road. Join the crowd heading towards Karbala. At pole 1452, you'll enter Karbala near the shrine of Al-Abbas. Starting the walk. As you leave Imam Ali's shrine, include your parents and all believers in your intention for this blessed journey. Mention them by name to share the reward. Ending the walk. Upon seeing the domes in Karbala, thank God for safely arriving to visit and pledge allegiance to his infallible vicegerent. Approach the Imam with peace, supplication, and a sincere heart, acknowledging his presence and remembering what he stood for. During the walk, due to the extreme heat, consider walking after Fajr and resting during the day, then resuming your walk at night. Walk at a steady pace, conserve your energy, and plan where you'll stop for rest. Reporting centers are available every 3 kilometers if you get lost or separated from your group. Safety tips: walk with the main crowd, avoid side roads and stay away from vehicle paths. Keep your important belongings secure, especially during rest or in restrooms. Display Hussaini symbols like flags and banners, but avoid political or factional slogans to maintain the visit's spiritual atmosphere. Spiritual focus. Recite blessings upon Prophet Muhammad and his family. Pray for Imam Hussein's intercession and remember God. Avoid carrying too much cash. Food, drink and medicine are provided along the way. Stick to sealed food and drinks to avoid contamination. Restrooms and showers are available, including Western-style facilities. Additional support. Buses and cars are available if you need transportation to Karbala. Show kindness, patience and forgiveness, reflecting the values of Imam Hussain. Help maintain cleanliness along the route, as it is managed by volunteers. Spiritual recommendations. Charity. Give charity daily at dawn to ward off afflictions. Prayer. Maintain prayer at its appointed time, as Imam Hussain did on Ashura. Conduct. Avoid joking. Commemorate Arbaeen with grief and respect for Ahlulbayt. Uphold chastity and proper decorum to preserve the visit's sanctity. Document your experience. Record your observations, take photos, and write about your journey to share the spiritual benefits with others. Visitation from afar. For those unable to make the pilgrimage to Karbala during Arbaeen, there are still profound ways to connect with its spirit. Participating in local gatherings, majalis, reciting the ziyarat of Arbaeen, and studying the life of Imam Hussain, peace be upon him, can deepen our spiritual connection. Acts of charity and supporting community events are also meaningful ways to participate in the spirit of Arbaeen, regardless of location. To follow the religious authorities' advice for visitors of Arbaeen, link is given in the description of video. We wish you a safe and successful trip and an accepted visit. Please remember us in your prayers.